Luxury is not just about comfort. It is about making a statement, and few cars have embodied this better than the 1979 Lincoln Continental Mark V. As one of the most extravagant personal luxury coupes of its time, this model was designed to deliver unmatched elegance, power, and presence on the road. Even decades later, it remains a symbol of American automotive excellence, celebrated for its bold styling and smooth performance. Introduced in 1977 and produced until 1979, the Mark V represented the final iteration of the classic Continental lineage before downsizing became the industry trend. This model was built with an extended body, measuring nearly 230 inches in length, making it one of the longest coupes ever produced. Its distinctive sharp-edged styling, hidden headlights, and signature opera windows gave it a commanding presence. The Mark V was also notable for offering exclusive designer series editions, featuring unique color schemes and luxurious interiors. Crafted by high-end designers such as Cartier, Givenchy, Bill Blass, and Pucci. Under the hood, the standard engine was a 6.6L 400 cubic inch V8, while a larger 7.5L 460 cubic inch V8 was available as an option in earlier models. By 1979, due to emissions regulations, the 460 V8 was discontinued, leaving the 400 V8 as the sole engine choice. While horsepower numbers had been reduced compared to earlier muscle cars, the focus of the Mark V was on delivering effortless cruising with smooth power delivery. The suspension was tuned for a plush ride, making it one of the most comfortable luxury coupes of its era. The interior was crafted to provide a first-class experience, featuring plush velour or leather seating, deep pile carpeting, and real wood or simulated wood grain accents. Advanced features for the time included a digital clock, automatic climate control, power seats, and even an optional A-Tracker CB radio. The dashboard layout was designed with both luxury and convenience in mind, offering a commanding view of the road while surrounding the driver in elegance. In the collector's market, the 1979 Lincoln Continental Mark V continues to be highly sought after. Prices can range from $10,000 for well-maintained examples to over $50,000 for pristine, low-mileage designer series editions. Its enduring appeal is driven by its classic styling, unmatched road presence, and association with an era when luxury meant uncompromised size and comfort. Even today, the Mark V remains an icon of American automotive history. Its timeless design and focus on ultimate comfort ensure that it will always be remembered as one of the last great personal luxury coupes ever built.